Safety first. Do you have a condom on, bro?
I'm good to go. Oh, seriously, what are we doing? I'm gonna go investigate some haunted railroad tracks.
Something we've always kind of heard about. The old South Tunnel, growing up around here. We're not going to be exactly at the tunnel, but we're going to be right there on it. Tunnel is private property and we do not want to trespass, so we're going to go down the road a little bit anyways. But that whole area was Civil War battlegrounds and stuff, so
Probably a bunch of suicides on the railroad.
probably
If that's how I'm gonna go out, that's how I'm gonna go out.
I feel like this land out here in general is just old
yeah.
land with
think
lots of
I
history.
feel like this land's been around since like the world started.
Since World Star?
Yeah. World Star.
No, I mean I see little shadows and stuff out my house all the time, and
Yeah, that's just because you bring demons home.
well, could be.
That may be the case. That's why we're driving down the road.
I ain't trying to stir nothing up in my house.
Yeah, I walked in and feeling we're about to do a spirit box session with the mirror. Can't look at him and said, I said, for real? I said, fuck no.
We can't get down like that. We did talk about last night coming up with the plans. I'll get in there with you. We talked about getting together for putting some kind of a man shed back in the yard to have
Say a
all our
man shed or a mansion?
a man shed.
I was like, how the fuck you go put a mansion behind his house?
I mean, same, but we're gonna put a man shed back there for all our stuff and the haunted stuff, and if we want to get a wild hair and do some kind of session,
That's
at,
there.
at least there's some separation.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm down with that, bro.
Put some sigils up in the building and salt the perimeter type thing. Keep it safe.
I feel like we're going 1,000 miles an hour.
We're going 33.
I know, it's just this road. This is some good old country road stuff, y'all.
I'll tell you what, I want to hit this.
Roads.
There's a house up here I'm trying to hit.
Which one?
I'll show you in a second.
Are we gonna? Oh yeah,
It's not even a White House, though.
It looked like it's been through some shit.
Yeah. There ain't no telling what's happening there. And of course, right here at the railroad tracks, there's running water, so that always usually makes activity go up. So we'll see what the dealio is.
All right, just stop right here, dude.
Good call. Right on the tracks. Bro, that is a big ass cock. I'll never get tired of saying that.
You never do.
Bro, it is time to go film. Come on.
Let me finish my game, dude.
This is little sketch balls.
We go down here by this creek.
Can you actually, you can hear the water.
Yeah. It's pouring.
Can't get a good shot of it. Well, what do you think, Pioli? We gonna do it right here? We gonna move a little bit? What do you want to do?
Kind of bummed because the battery's about to die on this. 19.3.
What? Now it's 0. Just call him out. We'll listen to you. I wish there was. I wish there was a little bit more. Yeah, like a little more. I guess secluded almost.
0.2.
You got nothing on the K2 yet. A little 10 spike. There it is. Who's out here making this equipment go off? Is this the lady in white that said to haunt South Tunnel?
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sound like a man though.
It is.
Were you a Civil War soldier by chance? That was something.
Sounded like civil.
Yeah.
Can you see us? Are you aware that we're here trying to communicate with you?
Why don't you walk up and talk to us? I'm staying with all three of us over here and maybe able to hear you a little bit better.
My name's Matt. It's nice to meet you.
My name is also Matt.
My name is Casey.
Can you introduce yourself?
So we're going to bring out a device now that has a word database in it that spirits are said to be able to manipulate, and usually we get some pretty great answers through this thing. So we're going to see if it works. Were you in a war? Already.
Here we go.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
If that is in fact 7, can you use the spirit box to say so?
Can you spell out the word 7 on this instead of the number? Temperature.
Temperature. Are you going to drop the temperature around us? It's going up.
No, it's dropping. No, it's going back up. It's going back down. It's going back up.
Can you move that temperature up to 70?
What time does the next train come through?
Are there any caves near here?
Enough.
We're getting too close to something? Said enough through the perilous. After he asked, are there caves?
3.
1, 2, 3.
So what time's the next train coming? Look, no fucking way is that a train.
Where?
That might be lights on the street, but I just saw lights way off in the cut down the railroad track.
Which that's one of the anomalies people say to see.
The lights?
Yeah.
I remember saying there's 3 caves around here.
What do they say?
VAT. V-A-T.
VAT. What is that?
A vat?
V-A-T.
Like a vat of slop, or like a vat is some like a container or a trough, if I'm not mistaken.
They're talking. Maybe they're gonna eat us.
Nah, I fucking hope not.
Maybe it was a vampire calling Casey fat.
That blah blah blah.
I do not say blah blah blah.
Visit.
Visit.
Visit whom? Visit where?
Or are you talking about we're visiting you?
Temperature again?
Yeah.
Dropped 2 degrees since it said that the first time.
Do you think we would have...
Oh, shit.
K2 is just going crazy, 0.6 on the mill.
Are you trying to manifest so you can communicate with us?
Go.
You're wanting us to leave?
Can you do something to make us leave? Can you show us that you really want us to leave? Throw a rock at Casey.
Cut Wyatt's beard off.
Bro, how dare you?
I lost mine. You gotta leave yours now.
You had a choice.
I did not. Ghost did it. Rosaline.
Rosaline?
Yeah.
That's a new one.
Yeah.
I think it's a little strange. There's like this little sort of dugout area right next to you. Like as I'm looking down the rest of it, there's clearly like a little
Yeah, that happened
indentation.
intentionally.
Yeah. Underline.
What happened here? Something happened in this little area for somebody to dig this out.
Look at the K2 going crazy. Who's making this device light up?
I saw it.
Can you do that again?
Rosaline, are you with us?
Girl.
Girl? Was Rosaline a girl? I mean, clearly, but like a little girl?
My voice sounded kind of.
I was.
What'd that say?
I said I was.
I was? Rosaline, are you here?
Did something happen to you out here?
Befriend.
Befriend?
Yeah, I mean, we're trying to befriend you.
Yeah.
We want you to feel safe enough to come talk with us.
Sally House.
What?
That thing said coming. I got chills right now, dog.
Oh, wow.
Sally House. What? Why are you telling me about Sally? Watch yourself.
K2. Put the K2 up there
Bro,
on the
did
rocks.
you not
It's
hear
one
that?
up.
100%. That said, watch yourself in a man's voice. Governess.
Governess?
Why is it everything that we've said, everything that's been said has been pertaining to women or women roles?
Hello, are you still here with us?
Whoa!
I didn't catch what that said, but
That
yes,
was 3
something.
words.
Hang.
Hang?
We probably should head out because they're
They will call.
people.
People! Shit.
Wait, you?
No.
What?
It was like a, or like a, no.
It was female.
Yep. I married Jagger, damn it.